What's the meaning of airstream? Airstream. 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 Airstream.
Airstream refers to the flow of air in a particular direction, such as the movement of air generated by a fan or the wind. The term is often used in the context of aerodynamics and the study of air flow around objects like airplanes or buildings. In everyday usage, it can also refer to the movement of air within confined spaces, such as the ventilation system of a building or a household appliance like a hair dryer. The precise meaning of the term may vary depending on the context in which it is used.